everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some new drugstore makeup 2024 to share with you all. I just got my hands on the brand new Maybelline Build a Brow eyebrow pencil, and I cannot wait to show you how it performs. If you're someone who loves achieving flawless eyebrows without breaking the bank, then this Maybelline Build a Brow eyebrow pencil is seriously a game changer for us, although I seriously think it's better than high end. I've been using this Maybelline brow pencil and I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to share its unique features with you if you haven't already tried it. This eyebrow pencil is the latest addition to Maybelline's drugstore makeup line, and it gives you the perfect natural looking brows in no time. Maybelline New York's Build a Brow 2-in-1 brow pencil, and it also does have a secret sealing gel, is your secret to real looking fuller brows. In fact, these brows are said to look so real, you can't even tell you have makeup on. I do have them on now. Let me know what you guys think. It's waterproof, sweat resistant, and smudge resistant for up to 24 hours. What sets this eyebrow pencil apart from others is its unique buildable formula. This Maybelline Build a Brow pencil is said to allow you to create your desired level of intensity and definition, whether you prefer a soft and natural look or a bold and defined brow. This drugstore eyebrow pencil has got you covered. The pencil itself is ultra fine, and so it makes it easy to mimic the look of real brow hairs. It glides on easily, ensuring a precise application every time. Plus, it is super long lasting, so you won't have to worry about it smudging or fading on you throughout the day. To build a fuller looking brow in 2 easy steps, this ultra precise pen on here creates hair-like strokes, and then the clear sealing gel seals the brows in place for a non-crunchy finish. It's again sweat resistant, smudge resistant, humidity proof, and it's available in various shades for every skin type and diverse skin tones. There's also no animal derived ingredients in it, which is super amazing. Now I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to achieve perfectly shaped brows in just a few simple steps using this brow pencil. Some tips from Maybelline on how to use this pencil is that they want you to shake it before you use it, and then you start by building up by flicking the pen upwards to create hair-like strokes while filling in sparse areas. Let the product dry, and then as the last step, use the clear gel to shape your brows into your desired shape, and it will seal them in for 24-hour wear. Now the fun part. I'm going to show you exactly how I create these brows on myself using this Maybelline brow pencil. First, you want to start by taking your spoolie and brushing your brows in an upward motion, then use the pen side of the pencil to fill in any sparse areas or gaps with short feathery strokes. Remember, you can always build up the intensity by applying more pressure. I have very sparse brows, so I concentrate a lot of the product building up the arch of my brow, and this pen does this beautifully. And I actually never preferred using a pen before. This is the first pen that I've actually truly enjoyed using, and in addition, I actually like it better than the pencils that I've been using. So I spend a lot of time building up the arch and the tail. And then I also do build up the front portion of my eye. And so to do this, I just flick the pen up and down to create those hair-like strokes in the front part of my eye. So depending on what type of strokes that you make, it's going to make different effects. So for the front portion of my eye, I use upward strokes. For the arch and the tail, I flick outwards. And then I just go ahead and keep building up until I get the desired shape and effect. This brow pencil is amazing because you can definitely build it up. And I have to tell you, dolls, these brows truly do last because I've worn them while I was running and I was dripping in sweat and they still did not come off. So they truly do last. This product does retail for $14.99 at Ulta, and I will have it linked down below with the Shop with YouTube feature. Many times with the Shop with YouTube feature, there will be a coupon available at Ulta via this feature. So when you check out with Shop with YouTube, you will get a $10 off coupon many times. I'm not sure if it's still available right now, but it was available the other day, so hopefully it still is in effect. But definitely check down below so you can see and purchase this for yourself. Step 2, blend and set. Once you've filled in your brows, take the spoolie with the clear gel on top and lightly brush this through your brows to blend the product into your own brows and to create a seamless finish and also to lock them in place. This step will also soften any harsh lines and again, hold them into place for up to 24-hour wear. Using the Maybelline Build-A-Brow pencil offers several benefits. It's customizable intensity, so this is a buildable formula that allows you to control the intensity of your brows. You can achieve a softer, more natural look by, again, applying more pressure or build up the color, or if you want to build up the cover for a bolder, more defined brow. Or you can create a more natural brow. The tip is ultra fine, so it allows you to be precise and controlled in your application. You can mimic the look of real brow hairs and fill in any sparse areas with ease, resulting in a more natural and well-defined brow shape. Then there's the long-lasting formula. The Maybelline Build-A-Brow Pencil features a long-lasting formula that stays put throughout the day. It's resistant to smudging, fading, and transferring, so this will ensure your brows stay in place for hours without any need for a touch-up. I love how it's super easy to use. The pen format of the Build-A-Brow Pencil makes it user-friendly even for beginners. It glides on smoothly on the skin, allowing for effortless application and blending. I love the versatile shades. The Maybelline Build-A-Brow Pencil is available in a range of shades to suit different hair colors and skin tones. Whether you have light blonde hair or deep brunette or black like me, there's a shade that will match your natural brows seamlessly. Overall, the Maybelline Build-A-Brow Pencil provides a convenient and effective solution for achieving well-groomed, defined, and long-lasting brows. Certainly, though, there are some additional benefits about using the Maybelline Build-A-Brow Pencil. I absolutely love the natural looking results. This pencil allows you to create natural looking brows that enhance your facial features. The fine tip of the pen on here helps you to draw precise strokes that will mimic the appearance of your own real brow hairs. It also fills in those sparse areas and creates a more defined and polished look without you appearing overly drawn on or artificial. So they just look super natural. I absolutely love the buildable coverage. The formula of this brow pencil is buildable, so that means you can layer it on to achieve your desired coverage. Whether you prefer a subtle or understated brow or a more dramatic look, this pencil allows you to customize the intensity to suit your preferences. You have control over the color and the thickness of your brows, giving you the flexibility to experiment and adapt your look as desired. So you can create so many different looks. I also love how it's convenient and portable. This Build-A-Brow pencil is compact and easy to carry. I love that it's 2-in-1, making it convenient if you want to bring it with you for touch-ups on the go if you feel you need, or traveling or taking it to work or school, or simply freshening up your brows on the go. You can easily fit this into your purse or makeup bag. Its slim design and retractable feature makes it practical and also mess-free. So it's a great option for maintaining your brows wherever you are. I love how it's waterproof and smudge proof. This Build-A-Brow pencil is formulated to be waterproof and smudge proof, ensuring that your brows stay intact even in challenging conditions. Whether you're caught in the rain, sweating during a workout, or simply going about your day, you can trust that your brows will stay in place without smudging or fading. The long-lasting formula provides peace of mind for you that your brows will look great all day long. I also love how it has a versatile application technique for using this pencil. You can use different application techniques depending on your desired brow. You can use light feathery strokes for a natural and subtle effect, or you can apply more pressure for those bolder, more defined brows. The pen can also be used to shape and sculpt your brows by outlining their natural shape and then filling them in for a more structured and polished appearance. In summary, the Maybelline Build-A-Brow pencil offers a range of benefits including natural looking results, buildable coverage, portability, waterproof and smudge proof, and versatile application techniques. It's a versatile tool that helps you to achieve well-groomed and defined brows effortlessly. And there you have it, the Maybelline Build-A-Brow Eyebrow Pencil in action. I'm truly impressed with how easy it is to achieve natural looking brows with this affordable drugstore gem. It's definitely a must-have for anyone looking to up their brow game without breaking the bank, although I definitely think this is drugstore better than high-end. So if you're in need of a new brow product that delivers quality and performance, I highly recommend giving the Maybelline Build-A-Brow Eyebrow Pencil a try. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. So that's it for today's video, beauties. If you've enjoyed watching this review and found it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel for more beauty-related content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, beauties!